Hey guys, did you hear about the new phone software update?
No.
No.
What is it?
So basically what it does, it goes through your Facebook and it assigns a ringtone according to your personality.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Can I test it out, man?
Yeah, go for it.
Dance with the mantis, note the slim chances.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Pretty good,
Nice.
pretty good. How about me then, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I like that.
Let me give this a shot.
This is insane.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
Alright,
That's good.
yeah,
I
man.
think that's the best one. I'll run this update.
Mama.